Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The infinty 3.5 new update just dropped, and I am going to tell you everything that has changed. First things first, just a quick disclaimer. This is Project Infinity X version 3.5, not the QPR1 release yet, which is confirmed for January with version 3.6. Let's start with the visuals. We finally have the NothingOS style Ringer Quick Settings tile, which looks super clean and adds a nice aesthetic touch. The Google Sans Flex font package has been updated to the original latest release by Google, looking sharper and more consistent now. They've updated the Monet custom color stub and adapted more sections of the UI to the Material Expressive Design language, making the whole system feel more cohesive. A small but nice detail, colored icon customizations now only apply to the settings homepage icons, preventing that weird look where icons inside submenus looked out of place. Now let's talk about motion. They have added system animation styles, allowing you to choose between Android P, scale, and slide animations. For the audio lovers, the Spark Pulse renderer style is here, making your music visualizers look great. If you have a device with a unique notch or punch hole, they've added 3 more display cutout options: render apps below cutout area, hide cutout, and wide cutout. Under the hood, version 3.5 brings some serious optimizations. First, they've enabled our 8 code shrinking by default, meaning the code is optimized to run faster and clearer. Second, there is much more aggressive idle killing, which will help significantly with idle battery drain when you aren't using your phone. Here are a few quality of life updates. Mock locations now allow you to override the restriction, and banking apps like bhim UPI have fixed developer options detection. They've done some spring cleaning in the status bar too, moving the data disabled icon switch and 4G icon to the status bar tuner. And finally, a bit of nostalgia. They have brought back the Contacts app from version 3.2, and the About Phone section cards are enlarged again, just like they were in version 2.9. Overall, version 3.5 feels smoother, especially with the fix for quick settings transitions even when blur is disabled. If you want to download this update, check out projectinfinity-x.com or join their Telegram group for discussion. If you like this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for the version 3.6 QPR1 review coming in January. Thanks for watching, and infinite love.